The pump failed in the plant, but everything looked correct on paper. The real problem was not design, it was review failure. In this video, I will show you how expert engineers review vendor data and prevent costly mistakes before fabrication. Slide 1. Core reality. In most projects, failures do not happen because of bad design. They happen because engineers miss critical issues during vendor data review. This stage is your last chance to catch problems. Slide 2. Purpose of datasheet. The datasheet is the foundation of procurement. It defines process conditions, mechanical design, materials, and testing requirements. Everything the vendor supplies must match this document. Slide 3. Vendor pack content. A complete vendor pack includes GA drawings, pump curves, datasheets, BOM, seal drawings, driver data, and compliance documents. All these documents must be reviewed together. Slide 4. Process data verification. The first step is verifying process data. Check flow, head, pressure, temperature, and fluid properties. If this is wrong, everything else becomes invalid. Slide 5. Operating range check. Ensure the pump operates within preferred operating region. Duty point should be close to beep, minimum flow and maximum flow must be safe. Slide 6. Hydraulic review. Analyze pump curve carefully. Verify head margin, efficiency, and operating range. Ensure pump does not operate near shutoff or runout. Slide 7. NPSH verification. Confirm NPSH available is greater than NPSH required. This is critical to avoid cavitation. Always maintain safety margin. Slide 8. Power check. Verify maximum power at runout condition. Ensure motor rating is sufficient. Ignoring this can lead to motor trips. Slide 9. Mechanical review. Check pump construction, shaft design, bearings and seal arrangement. Ensure compliance with API 610. Slide 10. Material review. Verify materials are compatible with fluid. Check corrosion resistance, temperature limits, and pressure ratings. Also confirm NACE requirements if applicable. Slide 11. Nozzle and GA review. Check nozzle orientation and layout. Ensure piping flexibility and maintenance access. Verify clearances for installation. Slide 12. Driver and coupling. Verify driver type, rating, and speed match. Ensure coupling allows seal removal and alignment. Slide 13. Instrumentation. Check all required instruments like temperature sensors, vibration probes, and pressure gauges. Missing instruments can affect reliability. Slide 14. Testing requirements. Ensure vendor performs hydro test, performance test, and mechanical run test. Verify vibration limits and acceptance criteria. Slide 15. Deviation list. This is the most critical document. It shows all differences from specification. Every deviation must be reviewed and approved. Slide 16. Red flags. Watch for duty point far from BP, low NPSH margin, undersized driver, missing accessories, and inconsistent data. These are major warning signs. Slide 17. Review sequence. The correct review sequence is process, hydraulic, mechanical, material, driver, testing, and deviations. Follow this structured approach. Slide 18. Golden principle. Remember this key principle. Vendor data review is the last chance to catch problems before fabrication. Once equipment is built, mistakes become expensive. If you want to become a strong package design engineer, you must master vendor data review. Like this video, subscribe for deep engineering knowledge, and comment review if you want more real case studies. See you in the next video.